Hey guys, welcome. Today we are going to talk about Google My Business, and we're going to talk about the reviews. Ooh, the reviews. Yes, how can you actually get reviews for your Google My Business? Now, this is going to be a part of a new series that we're going to call Google My Business Optimization, and we're going to go super deep, like really deep on optimizing your Google My Business listing. All right. Today's Saturday. Just as a case of point example, I was involved in a business deal that generated us $1,000, and it took 2 hours to complete. Now, don't think I'm like trying to brag here. This is like nothing at all. The point is that guess where it came from? Hey Bob, where did that deal come from today? Google. That's right, it came from Google. Guys, it's unbelievable. When you're on the top of Google, people call you and they want to give you their money. All right, you just got to have great customer service. All right, so let's get into this the first thing about Google My Business reviews, and that's absolutely the best thing, is when you have great and positive reviews, and preferably more reviews than your competitor. People just want to give you their money. You just need to perform the service, have great customer service. But the point is that people are ready to buy. When they call you, when they get in touch with you, when they fill out your contact form on your website, no matter the way they reach out to you, they are buyers because they read your reviews. They come oiled in. They call you. They're like, oh, you're the best, right? Now, you need to hold that promise. You need to have great customer service. And you also need to have good business practices, because then it's going to be weird if you have a bunch of 5-star reviews and your business and your customer service sucks. All right, so got that out of the way. Let's actually get into this. How can you get Google My Business reviews? All right, there's a few ways to get Google My Business reviews. The first way is ask your old customers. Hey, shoot an email list. Shoot your email list of customers a link to your Google My Business saying, hey guys, can you please leave a review? Maybe you should incentivize, do that. The second way is just make a bunch of Google accounts with VPNs and just try to leave a bunch of reviews for your business. Now, unfortunately, that doesn't really work. Google is getting a lot smarter. They're kind of becoming more like Yelp, where they're actually deleting reviews. So don't do that. Number 3, and this is going to be probably another video in itself if I remember to do the video, and that's actually to get on review boards and get into review groups and ask other business members for reviews. All right, so you do like a review exchange. You give them their business a review, and then they give you your business a review, a positive, nice review on your business. All right, but that's probably going to be another video if I remember to make that video. If you want that video, leave a comment down below. That's going to remind me. Alrighty. Number 4, and this is the way that I love the most, because it's the quickest and it's the best from my experience. Now, this way does cost money. So please be prepared to spend a little bit of money on your Google My Business reviews, okay? The great part about this is the vendor that I use, they really know what they're doing, and their reviews stick around. And if they don't stick around, they have a guarantee where they will replace your reviews that have not stuck around, okay? Now, I'm going to show you the vendor in a minute here, but there's a few other places where you can buy Google My Business reviews. And one of those places is eBay. I had mixed experience with eBay. You could try it out. Definitely, they're pretty cheap on eBay. But again, if you don't really want to think about it, you just want to get it over with, you want to get it done, and you want your Google My Business to start standing out and start ranking. Reviews are a ranking factor. By ranking, I mean getting on top of Google. Reviews are a ranking factor in Google on your Google My Business page. So if you want to get it done and over with, do this method that I'm about to show you, and you will not be disappointed. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. All right, excuse me. Let's jump into my computer, and I'm going to show you exactly the best vendor to buy your Google My Business reviews from. I'm not affiliated with them. I could care less where you buy Google My Business reviews from, but from my experience, they are the best, and from other people's experience, they're also the best. Alrighty, let's hop into my computer. Let's go. Alright guys, here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not Ty Lopez. So here on the laptop, the website that I find that you can buy the best reviews for your Google My Business is called Drip feedreviews.com. I'm going to have a link down in the description. Go ahead and click it, and it's going to take you right to this website. So pretty straightforward website. You can go ahead and read some of their information, press our services, and press Google reviews. Go ahead and read some of their information. I mean, pretty straightforward. They're just going to get you really good Google reviews that are guaranteed to stick. Again, if they do not stick, these guys promise to replace your reviews that do not stick. So what you do is you press this order now button. It's going to take you to a page where you can make an account and you can actually place an order through PayPal. Once you pay through PayPal, they're going to redirect you to a clients.dripfeed.com console. This console kind of looks like this. Here's the dashboard. If we go over to our left, there is a services tab. Again, you can order Google reviews from the services tab. And here are the prices, all right? So if you want to write your own reviews, each review is going to cost you, I believe, let's see. So it's going to cost you $5 per Google review if you are going to write your own reviews. If you're going to write your own reviews and you want to save a little bit of change, go find very similar businesses to yours and kind of tailor their reviews. Get some inspiration. Don't copy them, but find the inspiration and kind of use the same language, use the same terminology, and make your own reviews. Cool? If you want these guys to actually write reviews for you, you're gonna look into the second option, which is Google Reviews Regular with comments included. That's going to be $10 per review. Okay. Now, to be frank, these guys are not going to write the best text reviews. They're not going to talk about your business too much. They're just going to write general reviews. Hey, great service. These guys know what they're doing. They came out, had a great time, very professional, la la la. It's not going to go into the specifics of your business, which is something you might want to consider. And maybe, this is a pro tip, you can order 3 regular reviews with comments and then maybe some without comments, and you can actually write your own reviews that are very specific to the actual work that you do, so that people, when people actually read the reviews, they're like, oh wow, you know, Bob came out, he was super professional, he helped me with this and this, and he solved my problem, la 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 la. Very specific things that people in your specific business type will know what to read for and what to look for, and they'll know what the conversation is on about. This third option, Google Reviews Local Guide, you can order 1 or 2, or yeah. It's just a somewhat of a cool, not a cooler, but a more concrete review. Yeah, it's a more concrete review that's like more, it's gonna say local guide by the reviewer's name, which means that they posted more than a few Google reviews, so they are considered a guide. Doesn't really matter, they don't really stick more or less than the regular reviews, but it's just nice to have some variety. And again, if you want the local guide reviews with comments, order this 4th option, which is $15 per review. Alrighty, but this is where I get my Google My Business reviews. Again, they stick and they work for me. Alright, so if you have any other questions, leave them down below in the description, or not the description, in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and like this video, please. That helps out me quite a bunch. It's more than you think. All right. So other than that, we're gonna go to part 2 sometime in a couple of days. We're gonna discuss something else about Google My Business and the groundbreaking new tactics that I'm gonna reveal to you with my Google My Business strategies series. Alrighty, so go ahead and subscribe. You do not want to miss that out. Literally, Google My Business will change your business if you are on the top of Google. That is a guarantee. It's going to change your life. It's going to be able to. You're going to be able to pay off your house. You're going to be able to pay off your debts. You're going to choose the lifestyle that you want to live. All right, with Google My Business. Alrighty, that's pretty much my promise. Again, you know, I can't promise that if nobody's searching for your terms, but if you're in a bigger city with people searching for your terms and you're on top of Google My Business or on top of Google for your search terms, you are going to be wealthy. All right, I'm super happy for you. I cannot wait for you to get the results that I have started to get. It's incredible, and I'll talk to you next time. Alrighty, bye-bye.